Hi, this video clip explains how to use one of the Google Apps for Education that I found. I did a search on Google Apps for Education. One of the top hits was Applied Digital Skills, and so on their page they have some pre-built assignments with video clips of instructions on how to use different Google apps and how to work together as a team. Anyways, this question, why Applied Digital Skills works, you probably want to watch this video clip that's a little further down on that page. The teacher and some of the students are talking about how using the technology to come up with a presentation engages them, and they work together, so that helps engage them. So in Google, products are notorious for their collaborative features. They've already got a lot of that ironed out. So you'll need to sign in, and so I just had to select my account, my Google account, to tie it with this learning management system. If you are not already logged on to Google on your computer, you'll need to do that with your Gmail account. Create a class. I chose a class called Demo, and it gave me a code. Now I can email this page to students, or I can post it on an overhead on a whiteboard, and so they can know where they go to sign in. Or if you email it to them, they can click on a live link. They select that they're a student, and they join a class, and they have to know that code that goes with your particular class. And you'll want, well, you might want some lessons that are already made. Browse those lessons. You can refine that search by audience by selecting your age group. Then when you select this little button in the lower right, then it adds it to your classroom. They have individual lessons with instructions, video clips of how to use the features that they ask you to learn and to perform your assignment, your activity. I like this little packet of 11 because once you get things set up, then you can reuse. You don't have to redo that each time you want to assign another lesson every few weeks or something, some collaborative assignment that students do together. You share it with your classroom. So I selected my demo, my demonstration classroom. Choose an action, you get a list. Create assignment is probably the one that makes sense for this particular one. Give it a title. This digital arts and games, where it teaches them the digital skills. And then you assign to your students. You can either assign it to the whole class, or you could assign it to a subset, maybe students that are done and need enrichment, and you can assign points and due dates, and then it's posted to your class. So why use already produced content? Surely you can come up with something better. Yeah, probably. But let's say maybe you find yourself short of time because you spent a lot of time developing another part of the class activity or another class. Anyways, so it can help you in a situation like that. maybe you're just in need of ideas. Maybe you don't even end up using it, and it just gets you thinking and helps your creativity start going. So those are some reasons to look at these options of Google apps for education.